Hello, Grandpa here. Anyway, today's book, I know you're going to be excited about this one. I'm excited about it. It's going to be a fun one. It's Thomas and Friends, which is Thomas the Train. Go, Train, Go. Now, one thing about this book, it's not to be confused with Stop, Train, Stop, because that's the one I'm going to be reading tomorrow. So, today is Go, Train, Go. Hope you enjoy it. Go, Train, Go. Here comes the judge in her big red hat. She has come to see the train show. Who will take the judge to the train show? Thomas will. Thomas will go. Thomas will take the judge to the show. Hurry, Thomas, take me to the show. Take me there fast. Go, train, go. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, up the hill. Thomas, the tank engine goes faster than fast. Look at him going up that hill. Screech goes the brakes. Thomas goes to slow. Slow, slow, slower. Then slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas. Why do you go so slow? Take me to the train show. Go, train, go. There's the judge. She's hollering at Thomas the train. But Thomas cannot go. Thomas sees a goat. The goat is on the track. There's the goat. Don't want to run him over. Peep, peep goes Thomas. Bah! The goat jumps back. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, down the hill. Thomas the engine, or tank engine, goes faster than fast. I wonder just how fast that is, faster than fast. Screech goes the brakes. Thomas goes to slow. Slow, slow, slower. Then slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas, why do you go so slow? Take me to the train show. Go, train, go. Here she's hollering at him again. The tunnel is so dark. Slow, slow, slow. He goes into the dark, dark, dark tunnel. And out the other side. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, over the bridge. He was going so fast. He was going so fast. The judge lost her hat. Ah! There's her hat flying off her head. She should have kept her head inside the car. Screech goes the brakes. Thomas goes slow. Slow, slow, slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas, we're running late, you know. Take me to the train show. Go, train, go. But Thomas must go slow. There's a cow on the tracks. Moo! Moo goes the cow. Beep, beep goes Thomas. The cow moves back. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Thomas, the tank engine, moves faster than fast. Here's the cow. Screech goes the brakes. Thomas goes slow, 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 slow. He goes. Don't stop, Thomas. Go, train, go. Don't stop now. I'm late for the show. Ooh, looks like there's wood on the tracks now. But Thomas must go slow. There are logs on the track. The crane engine clears the logs. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Around the logs goes Thomas faster than fast. There's mud up ahead. The judge wants to go slow. Slow engines Slow, little engine, slow, slow, slow. Watch out for the mud. Whoa, train, whoa. But Thomas cannot go slow. Thomas goes faster than fast, into the mud. Splish, splash, splash. Ooh, look at all the mud flying up. Hope it doesn't get on the Judge. Thomas goes fast, past a town, fast, fast. Past a dog, faster still, fast at last. Got mud all over the train. Nothing can stop him, nothing at all. No goat, no dark. No cow, no logs. No crane, no mud. No town, no dog. This is the fastest that Thomas can go. Screech goes the brakes. Good job, Thomas. We made it here at last. You are a little engine, but you go so fast. Here comes the Judge. The train show begins. There are red trains and blue trains and old trains and new trains and a little blue engine covered in mud. What will the Judge say? It's a train show. I like all the trains. You all are such fun. But the muddy little blue train is my favorite one. The Judge even has mud on her. Thomas won the show. How about that? Well, how do you like that? Thomas got the Judge to the show, and Thomas won the show because the Judge was so impressed. But anyway, tomorrow we'll get to see train stop, just to see what happens. Anyway, I can't wait. It's going to be fun. Anyway, don't forget, Grandpa loves you. Bye-bye.